Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Torijaga. There is a classic Japanese dish called nikujaga, which is beef and potato stew. And today, I'm making chicken version of it. You just need to cut all the ingredients, put in a pot and braise. So it's super easy to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Torijaga. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thighs, 4 to 5 potatoes depending on the size, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 4 tablespoons each of soy sauce and sugar, 2 tablespoons each of mirin and sake, and 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. Like I said, you just need to cut everything and braise. So let's finish all the cutting. Carrot. Peel the skin. Or you can leave it on if you want to. Cut the top off. Then cut into bite-sized pieces. All into the pot. Onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Put them face down. Then slice. Into the pot. Potatoes. Peel the skin. Remove these eyes if there is any. Then into chunks. So it's bigger than carrot. Also into the pot. Finally, the chicken. You can make the dish with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin. And trim off all these fat. Using the tip of the knife, stab it to tenderize. Then into pieces, about the same size with carrot. Same for the other chicken. Now, all the ingredients are cut and put in the pot. Let's put the seasonings. The soup stock, sugar, soy sauce, sake, mirin, plus 2 tablespoons of water. Cover with the lid and braise for about 20 minutes. Medium-high heat at the beginning until it comes to boil. Then turn it down to medium. Mix it from time to time. Cooked for 5 minutes over medium-high heat, and now it's boiling. Let's give it a mix. Put the lid back on and turn the heat down to medium. Let's keep cooking for another 15 minutes or so. Braised for 15 minutes. Let's check if everything is well cooked. The toothpick can easily go through. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let's serve in the bowl here. And Torijaga is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The beauty of the dish is the potatoes. It soaked up the savory broth and the umami of the chicken, and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Torijaga is a main, so it goes here, plain rice here, and your favorite miso soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about horenso to moyashi no salada for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.